Hi, and welcome back to Host Migration Lab. In today's short guide, I'll show you how to create a MySQL database and user in cPanel, and connect them together step by step. Whether you're setting up WordPress or another CMS, this is an essential step, so let's get started. First, log into cPanel dashboard, next scroll down to the database sections, and click Manage My Databases. Here, in the Create New Database section, enter a name of your new database. Keep it simple and relevant, for example, WP Demo if you install WordPress. Then click Create Database button. Once created, cPanel will confirm your new database has been created. Click Go Back button. If you scroll down a little bit more, you will find a Modify Databases section. Here you can check database. Let's check our migrated database. Click Check Database button. You will see Check Complete message. Go Back button. If you have any issues with the database, it can be repaired. Choose your database and click Repair Database button. You will see Repair Complete Success message, then click Go Back button. Also, you can easily rename your database. Here is our database WP Demo. Click Rename, enter new name, for example WP Stage or WP Page 55, for example, and click Proceed button. That's it, our database is renamed WP55. Okay, let's create a database user. Scroll down to the database user section and add new user section. Here enter our username, for example site user. Then enter strong password. I suggest you to use password generator option. Copy this password. Click I have copied this password in safe place. Use password. Please copy the password to the safe place to be on the safe side. And then click Create User button. Here we are. You have success message. You have successfully created a database user. Go Back button. Let's check if our user is created. Scroll down to the current users section. Here we can see our site user. In this section you can change user's password. Click Change Password button, enter new password, and click Change Password button. Success. The next option that we have is Rename User. Click Rename button, enter new username, for example WP User, and click Proceed button. Okay, our user is renamed. Also, here you can delete user. Now we have created the database and the user. Let's connect them. Scroll up to the Add to User to Database section. Choose our user, WP user, and our database WP55, and click Add button. On the next page, you will set privileges that this user will have regarding this database. If you wish full control, click All privileges. If no, please choose the needed and click Make Changes button. Success message. That's it. We have successfully added user to database. Let's see if our user added to our database. Yes, our database WP55 and our user WP user. There is one more way to create database user and connect them more faster for me. It's Database Wizard on the Database section in the cPanel main menu. Click on it and you will be redirected to the database wizard page. In a few words, Database Wizard is a user-friendly interface which allows us to create database, create user, and connect them in three simple steps. First step, create database. Enter new database name. Let it be new. Click Next Step button. On the next page, enter username, new user, and use password generator to create password, and click Create User button. Step 3. Add privileges. All privileges click or choose the needed one and click Make Changes button. Here we are, success message, new user was added to database, new. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for quick web hosting tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I reply to everyone. See you in the next videos from Host Migration Lab.